Do you want to know how you can see the Spectrum news in Hawaii? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can look at the news of Spectrum in Hawaii. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar to search for Spectrum Hawaii login. Scroll a bit down and you can see login/Hawaii. Go ahead and click on that link and it will lead you to this page over here, which is the official page of Spectrum News. You can see that the news will be covered of Hawaii. Now, to log into your Spectrum account, go ahead and click on this icon which says Spectrum over here. Now, what you need to do is write down your email address or your username and your password. So go ahead and write down your username and then write down your password. Click sign in and then you can successfully sign in to your Spectrum News in Hawaii. You can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on this icon over here, and you can also click remember me. If you have forgotten your username or password, this is the link for you, and if you are a university student, click on sign in to Spectrum U. This was a video on how you can log into your Spectrum News in Hawaii. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.